Namaste everyone, welcome back to Code Chill. So I've recently received a gift from Microsoft for achieving my beta milestone as a Microsoft Launcher Ambassador. I've already sanitized it, so let's unbox it. Finally it's here all the way from USA to India via France. I'm eagerly waiting to see what's inside this mysterious box. So without any further ado, let's go. Khulja Sim Sim. Wow, this is so beautiful. A certificate from Microsoft signed by Pablo Ramendi, the global program lead of the same. Thank you so much, Pablo. Thank you so much, Microsoft. This is beautiful. Identity card so that I can attend any of the Microsoft event worldwide. Wow. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. So this is a wristband. Nice, that's beautiful. Beautiful stickers. There is a beautiful t-shirt. Foods for good. Size is perfect. A Rubik's cube. Wow. Wow, I was planning to learn this. Thank you so much for this, Microsoft. Stress buster ball.